Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this live stream was requested by a viewer. A viewer asked me to do a video on square roots. So that's what this live stream is going to focus on. How to determine the square root of a given number. So when we're looking for square roots, we have to determine what number multiplied by itself equals that number. So for example, if we're going to find the square root of 4, we have to determine what number multiplied by itself equals 4. Now this is easier to solve if you know how to square a number. So if we want to find the answer to 2 squared, simply whenever you square a number, that means that you're multiplying the number by itself. So 2 squared would be the same as 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. So 2 multiplied by itself equals 4. So the square root of 4 equals 2. Next example. So if we're looking to find the answer to 3 squared means that we're multiplying 3 twice. We are multiplying the number 3 by itself. So 3 times 3 equals 9. So if we want to find the square root of 9, we have to ask ourselves, what number multiplied by itself equals 9? We know that 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9, so the square root of 9 equals 3. All right, next example. I'm going to do one more where I square it. I'm going to do one more where I square it and then find the square root, and then my final 2 problems are going to be just looking for the square root. So 5 to the second power, that's the same as multiplying 5 times 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. So we know that 5 multiplied by itself equals 25. The square root of 25 equals 5. So now my next couple examples. I'm just going to do the square root for my next couple examples. So what is the square root of 49? What number multiplied by itself equals 49? 7 times 7 equals 49. So the square root of 49 equals 7. Now we're looking for the square root of 16. What number multiplied by itself equals 16? 4 times 4 equals 16. So the square root of 16 equals 4. Next problem, 36. What number multiplied by itself equals 36? Recognizing multiplication facts, I know that 6 times 6 equals 36. So the square root of 36 equals 6. This is a live stream on square roots. Somebody in the chat asked me what I'm doing. This was requested by a viewer. A viewer wanted me to do a live stream on square roots. So I'm doing a quick live stream on square roots. We are actually about to finish up. I'm going to probably do maybe 1 or 2 more square root examples, and then we're going to call it a video. All right, the final 2 square root problems. And this is really a matter of knowing your multiplication facts. Because if you know your multiplication facts, if you have memorized what number multiplied by itself equals a different number, you'll have a very easy time with square roots. Shout out to the person that subbed. I appreciate you. 2 and 25 are not the answers. So the square root of 81. So whenever we're determining the square root of a number, we have to ask ourselves, what number multiplied by itself equals that number? So what number multiplied by itself equals 81? So 9 times 9 equals 81. So 9 multiplied by itself equals 81. The square root of 81 equals 9. All right, final problem of the video. We need to find the square root of 100. So the question is, what number multiplied by itself equals 100? Having my multiplication facts memorized, I know that 10 times 10 equals 100. So 10 multiplied by itself equals 100. The square root of 100 equals 10. All right, that is my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.